Welcome to today's episode of a Dumplings Kitchen.
It's a strawberry cream sandwich.
I have seen them online for ages and I know they're quite easy to make, however I've never actually made them. I don't know why. I think it'll be actually really fun to make, and I'm gonna make my sister try it, my mom try it, whoever wants to try it. Can I just quickly show you my skirt? This is the new skirt I got the other day and I'm probably gonna include it in a haul. Hopefully I don't get it dirty today. Okay, so for today's recipe we're going to need some heavy cream, some strawberries, white bread, and sugar. It's a pretty straightforward recipe and it's gonna be a really fun process, I think. Look at that. I even cleaned the kitchen for this video. Look at it. Yeah, don't look at this side. Look at this side. Wait, this could go as a nice prop for the video. This is kind of satisfying. So let's get shopping. Okay, so I'm on my way to the shop to get the ingredients. So we're going. Just me and you, and just us together. Reunited and it feels so good. Why is the lighting so... Can you decide? Do you want to be bright or not? I don't know if this will work, but I'm gonna put you over there and give you a nod. Oh, the weather's so nice. I wish I could take pictures. Should we try? Should I try alone? Why am I getting distracted? This is a cooking video, I promise. I promise the purpose of this video is to make food. Oh, I want to take pictures. You know what? There is a Tesco cart right here. I bet I can make a nice tripod of it and take pictures in front of this grass. Okay, so here they are. This is the one my family gets usually. So I think I'm gonna go for this one. Okay, so I just left Tesco, got everything that I needed. Actually didn't have to get strawberries because we already had some home. Why is there so many taxis? That's scary. Sammy, where are you? Oh, you're excited. I'm back, and the first thing that we're going to do is prepare the cream. So we have a bowl, we need a mixer, where are the things? So we need those, and then we need the cream. I put it in the freezer for a little bit so that it's nice and cold. Let's get started. I'm gonna open it. I hope I got the right cream, to be honest, because I wasn't sure, and I'm gonna film a TikTok at the same time. Okay, let's do it. Okay, and then you just start whipping it. And I am slowly gonna start adding some sugar to it as well. I guess it's gonna take a while. Okay, as you can see, it's a lot more clumpier and thicker, and I'm just gonna start folding it. I think that's perfect consistency. You can see I can fold it. When I was younger, we used to go to the strawberry festival, and it was one of my favorite things ever because there was strawberry everything. So I know a lot of Bulgarian strawberry recipes actually, which I can make for another video. Let's take a few out, wash them, and cut them up. Is that true? Yes! Okay, yo. Now we're on to cutting the strawberries up. So you remove the stems, you cut off the stems, then you cut them in half, and that should be it. So I'm gonna do that for all of them. so now I have the bread. I tried to get the thickest bread that I've seen, but honestly there's even thicker ones. And they cut off all the sides, so I'm gonna do that as well. I can maybe make something out of them later, so I'm just gonna keep them and put them over here. After we have the sides cut off, I am going to place the cream. This is gonna be so good, I'm so excited. Okay, and now we place the strawberries. No, let's say that's how it is. We're gonna do one test one, and then the rest that I make are probably gonna be better anyway. Okay, and now we put it on top. I'm actually really bad with using the wrapping paper. I don't know why. I just hate how quickly it gets sticky and everything. Okay, so now that we've got our sandwich ready, woo, I'm gonna put it in the fridge. I'm just gonna keep making a lot more of them, put them all in the fridge, and then later on we're gonna open them up and see how they look and try them. Okay, so I decided to make my third one with the crust on the side because, I don't know, I feel like it. We are almost done. I have a little bit of cream left, so I decided to make a mini one. Oh, look at that. But I with my hair. Do you want to try it? Approved. Boop. Look at this. So cute. I have finished making them. I decided to put the breadcrumbs back in the bread packet, and I think I'm gonna go out and feed some birds. Vicky, I'm about to slice your one. Do you wanna come and react? Actually, you can come, react, and film for me. Vicky. Oh, they're sisters. Sisters. What? I don't know.
I phone storage full.
We're back broadcasting like Vicky. Oh, okay, this is sliced really easily. Oh, I can't see the strawberries. The whole point is that you can see the strawberries inside. But it's still really good.
Can I eat it with a fork and a knife?
If you want, yeah. But why would you want to eat it with a fork and a knife? There. Try it in your own weird ways. I'm gonna watch from right here.
Okay. Oops.
You're... That's nice. It's a nice snack.
I like it, but I prefer them separate. Strawberries and cream, separate bread.
I made like a whole stack of them. Let me show you.
Really?
There's...
Give it to Georgie.
One for
oh,
me,
give
one
it to
to...
Georgie, yeah.
Huh?
Georgie, can you do a food test, please? Don't film him, because he doesn't like to be filmed.
Okay.
Okay, now you're gonna try it. Maybe you should have taken this face.
Let me try it. Oh my god. That is amazing.
I don't think so.
You're some weird people. You're so good. Okay, I'm gonna go and meet my friends and give them some of this, but I'm just gonna finish the one my sister started.
I eat it and it's gonna be all for you.
Yeah, and it's really good. I was so happy to feed everyone. I made so many. Okay, let's go.
Why is it gotta be so complicated? Maybe this love thing's overrated. I'm feeling the same, my face in my hands. I know it's my fault 'cause I never make plans.
As soon as I got off the train, it started pouring so much rain, and all the sandwiches that I made got squished in my bag because I was also carrying a heavy-ass laptop.
We're still gonna eat them.
Yeah, we're still gonna eat them. And honestly, after being squished in a bag for so long, they look fine.
Yeah, no, they look good.
Okay, taste test them. I will record the floor. This is my one that got really squished.
All of them. Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is them nodding their head, saying
Even, I think it would be even better if the bread was like
Yeah.
sweet.
Yeah, I tried to look for some like thicker, sweeter bread. I didn't have any.
изглежда сладко, не изглежда вкусно, изглежда отвратително.
Hello, it is the next day and I'm about to have one of the sandwiches. They're really good, by the way. I love them so much. Only thing about it is that I wish you could see the strawberries more so it looked prettier. But for a first try, I love them and my friends love them, my family can. I just did a workout and took a shower, so I'm about to have this and chill on the couch with Sammy. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Love you.